Why would a general AI agent such as Claude CLI be used to build specialized custom agents? Autonomous agent has 5 powers. Number 1. Visual understanding. Number 2. Audio processing. Number 3. Complex decision making. Number 4. It can execute and orchestrate. Number 5. Maintain context and learn. The logic is AI agents have transitioned from text generator to action engines. Point number 2. Claude Code operates in a read, think, code, execute loop. The outcome? Because code is the universal interface, the general agent can write the instructions skill.md or the Python code, that is OpenAI Claude SDK, required for any business use case, from data analytics to document processing. Why business questions get code answers? The paradigm shift. We don't just write code to build software. We use code to interrogate reality. Example: why did sales drop in Q3? A coding agent would confuse this for a code comment. A general agent writes a SQL query to fetch sales data, write a Python script to visualize the trend, analyzes the chart. It provides the answer. This is the core of our strategy. The general agent acts as business analyst. General agent reason through problem. They enter a loop of thinking, acting, checking the result, self-correcting. This is what allows them to handle complex tasks without you holding their hand. Clear specifications unlock AI agent potential. Write detailed specs before coding. AI agent execute better with clear instructions. Benefits: consistent AI outputs, fewer iterations needed, better team alignment. Spec Kit Plus provides standards and templates for writing clear, actionable specification that AI agent can execute. Core components of Spec Kit Plus are feature specification, vertical sub-agents and skills, that is skill libraries, prompt history and architecture decision records. Test-driven development. One file works with all AI coding agent, that is agents.md. Universal project instructions. Agent-specific files like Claude.md can include universal instructions by referencing agents.md. Agents.md reference it from any agent-specific file. Works everywhere, no duplication. A markdown file that tells any AI agent how your project works. Created by OpenAI, adopted by 60,000 plus open source projects. Spec-Driven Development include these commands. The first one is constitution, then specify, then plan, task, implement, analyze and clarify. These 2 steps are optional. MCP tools consume 14,000 to 18,000 plus tokens every tool definition loaded, while skills plus scripts consumes only 100 tokens. The workflow, how the factory works. Number 1 is spec. You provide the markdown file describing the goal. Number 2, the builder, Claude Code, analyzes the specs, scan documentation, and identifies the necessary tools. Third step is the manufacturing. Claude Code generates custom agent or the custom skill.md and the supporting code. And the fourth step is the result. Production-ready custom agent or the custom skill is born in minutes. There are 9 pillars of the agent factory. Number 1, AI CLI or the coding agent. Tools like Claude Code or the Gemini CLI, OpenAI GPT-5 Codex. Number 2, Markdown as programming language. Number 3, MCP standard. Number 4, AI first IDEs. Editors like Zed or Cursor. Number 5, Linux Universal Dev Environment. Number 6, Test-Driven Development. Number 7. Specification Driven Development with Spec Kit Plus. Number 8. Composable Vertical Skills. Number 9. Universal Cloud Native Deployment. Agent Eval, the exam for your digital employee. To differentiate testing code from testing reasoning, enterprises need to know the accuracy rate of an AI agent before paying for it. Before deployment, the agent must pass a set of 50 real-world scenarios. For example, here is a messy invoice. Extract the text ID. Did the agent understand the intent even if the phrasing was different? Every time we update the skill.md, we run the exam to ensure previous skills haven't degraded.